Welcome to PHIQUENCE Trading Hub, where technology, intelligence, and market analysis come together. Start by entering the Trading Hub directly from your dashboard. Access real-time market data and advanced trading tools from a single platform. Choose from multiple financial markets, including crypto, forex, and commodities. Analyze market structure, liquidity zones, and price movement before making decisions. Use AI-powered market intelligence to monitor trends and market conditions. Set your trade amount and select the duration that matches your strategy. Use AI-powered market intelligence to monitor trends and market conditions. Track your active position with real-time countdown and live market updates. Monitor capital allocation through the Advanced Binary Recovery Protocol. Review performance metrics and account activity in real time. The platform offers detailed analytics, a high win rate, and a comprehensive trading history. Join a connected ecosystem powered by intelligent financial technology. Experience advanced analytics designed for modern market participants. Everything you need for analysis, monitoring, and execution in one environment. PHIQUENCE Trading Hub. True balance. Real growth. Welcome to the future of intelligent trading.